Welcome to Inglewood, SoFi Stadium, and right next door to it, the Hollywood Entertainment District. Take a look at what's going on. Go over by Century Boulevard and then see what's going on along Prairie with the residential and everything else. And until then, enjoy some of these views from the Park Lake. It's a little dirty, I'm not sure what's going on here. The filtration system's doing its thing. But seagulls seem to love it. See that tower going up, I don't know if it's like centrally located there in the Hollywood Park District. You can see that scaffolding surrounding that structure that's going up. You can see the signage here, which shows the Cinépolis luxury cinema on the right side. There you go. And then there's like a little congregation area there on the ground. And you got some upper level, make-believe businesses for now, but something will be named at some time. What's moving in. Over here at the corner of Prairie and Century, so I guess I was right, there is going to be an electronic billboard here on this side facing Century Boulevard, as opposed to those other poster advertisements. This, I guess, will be electrified at some point, hopefully. And all the vegetation here looks really nice. It's filling in really well. Okay, so you can see this corner wall here. There's a left and right electrified future message board wall, what have you. Make our way across here. You can see there's going to be some more billboards that are put up. That's really cool. Basketball court. Oh wow. I have to bring my basketball. Yeah, so this is cool. I'm not sure if I remember hearing about some kind of athletic court, basketball court being put in, but that'd be fun. It's always fun watching local pickup games when you're out at Venice Beach or some other famous areas. This could be another future famous area for some legendary hoops, considering it's Inglewood down the street from the Forum, which has a lot of basketball history. City of Champions. And there's the phone number and email address if you want a spot here to lease. I'm sure there's spots available. There's a stock photo there of somebody serving a beer. There will be I think it's called Three Weavers Brewery moving in here, along with some other businesses that have been pre-announced. Some of these exteriors that look pretty much mostly finished. future parking structure, which pretty much looks finished. It's got some advertising boards up here as well. And we're also looking at the future residential area, which is slowly making progress. And it does have that scent, you know, if you've ever been like in a new building. I don't know if it's like smell of drywall or what, but it already has that new building smell. Okay, I'm off of Hardy and Brewery here, one of the entry points. I don't know if you can enter into the parking lots of SoFi Stadium, but eventually this will be like an entryway to residential. Yeah, you can see some of these exteriors starting to make some progress. See a load there of some lumber. Safely making its way up. Here in the commercial end over by SoFi Stadium with some of the different offices. It looks like they've got some leasing opportunities now. It says up to 500,000 square feet available, with contact information and a couple of visuals for you. See those two dark rectangular objects like 90 degrees from each other, which is near the Cinépolis cinema. This is something new since the last time I was here. I mean, they had it almost finished except for that Inglewood border. So comment down below if this is some kind of a message that they broadcast during game days about traffic or something. I would like to know. If anybody is out here and observes that, please comment down below and let me know. It's cool, a new palm trees going up. You can see the fronds are tied up for now. I remember those way back in the early finishing stages of SoFi. Cool. I'd like to have one of those. Just dangling around, trying to get it in the hole, I guess. Pretty cool little mural here across the street from SoFi Stadium, Arbor Vitae and Prairie, where the new 7-Eleven has gone up. They got a little dedication here for the champs. Last year, the Lakers and the Dodgers.